G'day humanoid life forms, Chewy here. Marianne's on the back, just heading out for a ride, and our plans were diverted due to floodwaters once again in New South Wales. We're on the Putty Road. I'm almost at Grey Gum Cafe. When I get there, I want to tell you a little bit of a story about being taken for granted, about friendships, and a little bit of a life story. So take in some of this beautiful scenery and have a listen to my story. Are we the only motorcycle? I've never ever seen this place so empty. Oh well, we'll get food quick, won't we? Grey Gum Cafe, the venue of our first Australian moto content creator meetup. This is already an awesome cafe, and have a look, Grey Gum's extending and doing improvements, working really hard. Matt from Roads of Oz and Roger from Harley Throttle Juice. Word of warning, when you walk into the cafe, make sure you duck. Yeah, I already hit my head. And the kids seem pretty normal. Protecting me. Hello. Hello. You look beautiful. How are you going?
What's happening, Bass? What are they doing?
Beautiful. You look gorgeous. Hello.
What's happening, Bass? Paris.
Knowing that I let you down leaves an empty feeling. Decisions that I could have made gives me no healing. Lamenting all the wasted time, it all amounts to nothing. I'm coming home again. I can walk, I can talk with you. I can breathe, I can dream with you. I can walk, I can talk with you. I can breathe, I can dream with
Colo River. Amazing. Wonder where the car park is. There used to be a car park. Water over road. I'm still just going to pull in here anyway. go and have a look. Just at the Colo River. I've never seen it like this. It's pretty amazing. We're not even flooding at the moment. Some parts are. Some parts are.
Further down though.
Yeah. Bring back the nod. She's pretty high. Alright, that's about it, humanoids. You know the drill. Until next time, Chewy and Marianne out. Be good to each other. I did it all wrong. Alright, humanoid knife. I can't even speak. Alright, humanoid life forms. That's about it. You know the drill. Until next time, be good to each other. Hey, bring back the nod. Chewy and Marianne out. Peace.
I can walk.